How to get rid of cellulite on thighs and bum workout. Are you concerned about your cellulite on thighs and bum? Are you looking for ways to get rid of it as soon as possible? In this video, I will walk you step by step and show you practical exercises that you can do to get rid of your cellulite. According to the American Council on Exercise, thigh and leg exercises are effective in reducing the appearance of cellulite. But the best solution is to combine targeted strength training workouts with cardiovascular exercises. Dr. Wayne Westcott, who is known for his cellulite-reducing weight loss program, suggests that your daily workout should consist of 20 minutes of resistance training and 20 minutes of moderately intensive cardio. If you're looking to get rid of cellulite in the area around your thighs and buttocks, do the following 20-minute exercise daily and follow it up with either running, cycling, or any other cardio exercise you enjoy. 20-minute daily thighs and bum workout for cellulite reduction. Squat jumps. Stand with your legs farther than hip width apart and with your toes turned out slightly. Clasp your hands together at chest level. Slowly lower your butt towards the ground, making sure that your calves stay perpendicular to the floor. Go as low as you can and hold the squat for 2 seconds before jumping straight up so your feet lift off the ground. As fluidly as you can, lower yourself back to a squat as your feet hit the ground. Repeat 10 times. Leg lift pulses. Stand on the floor with your feet around hip width apart. Place your hands on your hips to keep yourself balanced. If you need more help balancing, you can hold on to the back of a chair or counter. Lift your right leg as far back behind you as you can. You should feel a squeeze in your right buttock. Hold the position for 2 seconds before lowering your leg back down. Repeat 20 times. Rest for 30 seconds before doing the same thing on the other side. Lateral toe taps. Stand with your feet close together. Bend your knees slightly and clasp your hands together at chest level. Slowly extend your right leg to the side. Try to touch your toe as far to your right side as you can. Bring your right leg back to the center. Repeat 10 times. Rest for 30 seconds before doing the same thing on the other side. Fire hydrants. On a mat, get on your hands and knees. Make sure your hands are right below your shoulders and your knees are directly below your hips. Keeping your knee bent, slowly lift your right leg to the side. This movement should look like how a dog would lift its leg to pee on a fire hydrant, thus the name of the exercise. Hold the peak position for 2 seconds before lowering it back down. Take a second to rest before lifting your leg again. Then complete 10 reps of the exercise before doing the same thing on the left side. Side plank leg raises. On a mat, lie on your right side and then prop yourself up with your elbow and the side of your foot. Make sure your elbow is located right below your shoulder. Keep yourself as stiff as you can without letting your hips sag down. Slowly raise your right leg as high as you can and slowly lower it back down. Repeat 10 times without shifting from your side plank position. Rest for 30 seconds before doing the same on the other side. Once you're done with all 5 exercises, take a 2-minute rest and repeat the circuit from the top. Ideally, you'd complete 3 to 4 sets within 20 minutes. Take the time to do this workout daily and follow it up with the necessary cardio. Doing so won't just allow you to get rid of cellulite in those areas, but also help you lose weight. Combined, you can show off not just smooth thighs and a shapely butt, but an overall bikini-ready body. Following is the reference we used to create this exercise plan and video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.